Hello everyone. My name is Elizabeth. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to today's video. I welcome you with a warm heart, and if it's your first time seeing this face, just know that I am a nice person and a very shy one. So please subscribe for that, and let's keep the dollar rolling by not skipping the ads. I plead you on that one, because that's how I make some revenue, by you watching the ads. And please share this video and subscribe, give it a thumbs up. In today's video, I am just going to tidy up my little tiny kitchen, very small, so it's not gonna take long. The video is not long, the video is not gonna be long. And yeah, let me just quickly do that and refresh my kitchen as quick as I can. In the meantime, check on the black button written subscribe. I'm sure it's blinking. Subscribe, you go click there. So this is how it looks. Basically, more people have eaten, everything is all over there. It is like that. I need to do those dishes there, remove the things that doesn't belong there. The stove is not bad at all. I think I just need to wipe it up and yeah, keep it moving. So subscribe to my channel whilst I'm cleaning, or whilst you are cleaning with me, and let's enjoy the video. It is very important to clear out things that are not belonging to where they are, so that you pave a way and see where to start and where you are going. And that is what I was doing right now, and putting things all together and making the space looking mwah. And really, living in the dusty areas, you are forever having dust, because guys, it is a windy time. Anytime it can windify out there, and the dust is gonna be in the cupboard, and you will see it, and it is not looking good. Guys, I am forever wiping my tops. This was a kind of a reset because it was on a Sunday and in the afternoon, whereby I'm just putting things together. I'm just making a way for the week. Yeah, I was just wiping and making everything looking good. Guys, this thing has never disappointed me at all. I love it so much. As for the stove, I'll only do the white part. The top part, it's clean. So moving right along, I am going to mop the floor because I've swept already. After mopping, you will see the difference. Now it is a bit of a pale, but after mopping this, guys, I don't use a lot of water on my mop when I mop the floor. Yeah, I really don't want to smash the floor with a lot of water. That's just how I do my conduct when it comes to mopping. So let's start from the floor. It is so clean. I mopped it and I am happy with the outcomes there, because I always like keeping a toilet paper in each and every room. I don't wanna struggle or anyone struggle. The stove is so much clean and the stove is so much clean. I cooked there and several colors there. I love them so much. And then this side also, there is no dust. Never mind that cap there, I will remove it. So I hope. So I have these rinsed dishes. I dried them over the air. And another one this side. So I'm gonna pack them. This is after cleaning my kitchen. And then I realized I still have dishes on the other side. You know, guys, I do my dishes on the other room because of space. That's where the table is. So I needed to clear them up also, so that, yeah, my Sunday be looking good. Pave a way for the week. Be ready for Monday to go to work. Leaving the house clean. this is the end of the video. I hope guys you enjoyed the video, and yeah, I hope you cleaned your kitchen, because this is just a cleaning motivation for you guys, nothing much. Thank you for subscribing along the way, or when you are watching the video. Thank you for watching the ads, guys. I'm still in the challenge of making that $1,000 a month, and if I don't achieve that, I'm not gonna stop. Trust me, I'm not gonna I'm joking. If I get tired, I'll just upload my normal upload, which is 2 days a week, but I'm determined to make it happen.